A great honor. It's a great honor to meet Honorable Prime Minister in Jordan, who will be present in front of us. So that will be a great honor, and we are really looking forward to see him and meet him. Correct. The way he present, we learn so much from him. The way his audacity, the way he speaks, the way he contributed towards the growth of our country. It's really honored to meet him, the legend of the century, what he is in. Thank you. The excitement, you can say that I have drove 3 hours in the morning from Aqaba to here to meet him. That's the excitement level we all are in to meet the Prime Minister of our country.
You all are one family?
Yes, we all are our family. As an Indian community, we all are a brotherhood from the same motherland. So we all are a family.
Your name?
Saurav Chaudhary.
Anji, hi. So again, really honored to meet the PM and see him. This is his second visit. The first was a transit back in 2018 when he was traveling to Palestine. So again, it's a great honor to see him. And we are all lucky to be part of this team who's present here to see him in person. All right, thank you.
How do you see the relation between Jordan and India after this visit?
This is a 75 years of relations is going to get completed this year. Okay, so that's another strategic and very historical thing for the entire relations and the bilateral relations between both the countries. It's a very strong relation. Okay, Jordan being the 4th largest supplier for India as a trading partner. So I think it's a very strategic relation that we have with Jordan, and India plays a very crucial role. Of course, in all what is happening in the Middle East, so that also will support, and so that's about it from my side. My name Vineet
Syed Yunus. We've been here in Jordan from last 7 years. It's been great honor seeing him face to face, so close, because what we have seen him, what he has done for the nation, the country, all these years, and it's great. His visit to Jordan has come in such a good time where the relationships between the Middle East and India have to be stronger enough for the global market, trade, socio-economic perspectives. So it's great to view, great that the view, the whole in the discussions between the great leaders will be effective enough.
Sudeshna.
You are going to perform in front of the PM. How do you see and how you are excited about it?
Quite excited. It's it's a big opportunity, to show my talent in front of Modi ji, and I'm very, very excited, and and quite nervous at the same time, but hopefully everything turns good, and I'm very much looking forward to it.
भारतीय को थोड़ा हिंदी में बात करनी चाहिए कि कैसा लग रहा है, आप कितने दिनों से तैयारी कर रहे थे प्रधानमंत्री के बारे में पता चला आपको?
मैं 1 हफ्ते से तैयारी कर रहा हूँ. थोड़ा शॉर्ट टाइम था, पर फिर भी अच्छे से परफॉर्मेंस आई एबल टू डू अ गुड परफॉर्मेंस इन फ्रंट ऑफ हिम. दैट्स ऑल.
Your name?
Archisha.
How you are excited about the performance in front of PM? Prime Minister Narendra Modi?
I'm quite nervous, but at the same time I'm really excited because I would be able to showcase my talent, which is a really big opportunity for me in front of PM Modi. And at the same time, I'm really happy that Narendra Modi is coming to Jordan because it's going to be a really good opportunity for Jordan and India because the relationship is going to build, and I'm really excited. I'm looking forward to it. I'm going to perform like around 2:30 after an hour or two.
Your name?
My name is Archisha.
Say your name.
Bridget.
Are you excited about the PM?
Oh, very much excited. I'm very much excited to see him. It's an opportunity to meet him, and my wife is performing today, and that's grateful for my wife. Yeah, I'm very excited to see, and Indian culture and Indian people are like grateful here to see him. It's an opportunity for all of them to see.
जब पता चला कि प्रधानमंत्री मोदी आ रहे हैं, कब
Yeah.
से तैयारियां शुरू हो गई दिमाग में कि प्रधानमंत्री आ रहे हैं?
It's been like a month. I got to know that Modi ji is coming, so we are all excited to see from that all this month. Yeah.
Your name?
Coming and meeting all of us, and I met him first time and I'm so happy.
एक्साइटमेंट और चाहिए होता है। एक और ठीक है जाना एक और
भारत माता की जय, भारत माता की जय, वंदे मातरम, वंदे मातरम, वंदे मातरम, जय हिंद।
हेमंत कुमार झा। बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है। वी आर सो एक्साइटेड फॉर मोदी जी, और अच्छा लग रहा है।
अनिल कुमार, ये आज हमारा ऐतिहासिक दिन बोल सकता है, और मेरा लाइफ में एक इतिहास का पन्ना का जैसा लिखा जाएगा, क्योंकि आज हम हमारा आदरणीय प्रधानमंत्री प्रधान सेवक माननीय श्री नरेंद्र मोदी जी को मिलने के लिए इधर उत्सुक है, और ये बहुत प्रतिष्ठा का दिन है हमारे लिए।
आप बताइए सर, थोड़ा सा आप अपना नाम खुद ना कुछ चाहिए बताइए।
प्रमोद फरकस से। ओके, हम सिर्फ मोदी जी को देखने आए।
आप बहुत ऐसे वेट
मोहन जातिया, मोदी जी का वेलकम, हम उनकी राह देख रहे हैं, उनका इंतजार कर रहे हैं, बहुत एक्साइटेड है।
मैं मेधा झा। मोदी है तो मुमकिन है। हम बहुत प्राउड फील करते हैं कि मिस्टर नरेंद्र मोदी हमारे प्राइम मिनिस्टर हैं, और हम बहुत उत्साहित हैं उनके स्वागत के लिए। एंड इट इज अ वेरी प्राउड डे। बहुत हमारे लिए बहुत गर्व का दिन है आज।
Hello, I'm Chaitanya Bhagwata, and we are really waiting for him so long, and we are planning to meet him, and so excited, you know. I mean, welcome Modi ji, Modi ji, Modi ji.
Yeah, as I said, it is a lifetime moment for me, so I'm really looking forward to, see Mr. Modi so closely.
मैम थोड़ा सा आप बताइए, कितना एक्साइटेड है आप यहाँ पे?
हम बहुत जोर स्वागत कर रहे हैं उनका, और बहुत ही हैप्पी है कि वो आ रहे हैं। उसके लिए तहे दिल से शुक्रिया मोदी जी का। बहुत खुश हैं हम, और हम बहुत प्राउड फील करते हैं।
है तो मुमकिन है।
हाँ, मोदी है तो मुमकिन है। मेरे लिए ये तो पूरे लाइफ टाइम अचीवमेंट जैसा है। फर्स्ट टाइम मैं मोदी को सामने से मोदी जी को देख रही हूँ। वेलकम मोदी।